أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Alaq. Okay. So first I'm gonna recite this inshallah. Let's learn the whole surah. After that let's look into tajweed rulings. Okay, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. خلق الإنسان من علق. اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم. علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى. إن إلى ربك الرجعى. أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى. أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى. أرأيت إن كذب وتولى. ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية. ناصية كاذبة خاطئة. فليدع ناديه. سندع الزبانية. كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب. Alhamdulillah. So there are 19 ayahs in this surah and they are short as well. So inshallah let's learn the whole surah today. Okay. First is ayah number 1 inshallah. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. اقرأ. Okay, here the qaf is with the qalqala. Okay, iq. Ra is heavy and there is hamza with sakina. Don't convert that into alif maddiya and recite iqra bismi. That's wrong. It is iqra. Iqra. Okay, there should be a jerk but not the qalqala, not iqra. This is wrong. Iqra bismi. Iqra bismi. Fine. Just a cut off sound. Bismi rabbika. Ra heavy. Rabbika alladhi. Connect kaf to this lam. Rabbika alladhi. Zal with no buzzing sound. Khalaq. Kha and the qaf are heavy letters. Read this a kha, not a kha. Okay. And while stopping, this will acquire temporary sukoon, but no madul aradli sukoon here, as there is no mad. But you will pronounce this a qaf with a qalqala. Okay. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. خلق الإنسان من علق. خلق. Same word again, which many of you do mistake in this, that you pronounce a qaf like this a kha. Khalaqa is wrong. It is a khalaqa. Khalaqa. Okay. And all for one count. Khalaqal insana. Ikhfa here, 2 count gunna. Insana min. There should be no gunna here, just izhar. Min alaq. Ain clear, don't read it alaq. Alaq is wrong. And also you cannot convert that qaf into kha. Alaq, alaq, this is wrong. Min alaq. Alaq. Okay. خلق الإنسان من علق. While stopping we add sakin here and do qalqala. Okay. اقرأ وربك الأكرم. Iqra. Same word again where you should do qalqala on qaf and ra is heavy, hamza with a jerk. Don't recite iqra, ra is wrong. Iqra, okay? Iqra wa rabbuka, ra heavy here. Wa rabbukal akram, kaf with hums, ra heavy, and meme will acquire temporary sukoon. We will recite that with izhar, okay? Akram, akram. اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم. الذي will add fatha to this hamzat al-wasl, right? As there is no haraka on this hamzat al-wasl, we add fatha because the next letter is lam. So just fatha. Alladhi. No buzzing sound. Don't recite it. Allazi. Alladhi. Allama. I should be clear. Not allama. If you recite allama, this will be meaningless. Okay. It should be allama. Allama bil qalam. This ba will be connected to lam of the word al-qalam. This is not alif maddiya, this is actually hamzatul wasl, which is written with this ba. Bil qalam, qa, heaviness and also softness. It should not sound like kha, okay? Qalam, qalam. الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Allama. Again, same word, not allama. Okay, it should be allama. Ain. Allamal insana. Ikhfa here to count gunna. Insana. Ma lam ya'lam. Ma to count. Lam. Izhar shifawi. No extra gunna. Ya'lam. Give a little time to this ain. Ya'lam. Meme sakin is already there, nothing to add while doing waqf. You just have to recite it with izhar, no extra gunna, okay? علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى كلا تجديد, emphasize it, not kala, kalla. Here alif mad is followed by the hamza in a separate word, right? So you will do we will apply mad al jayz munfasil, 4 haraka stretching. Kalla inna, noon mushaddad to count gunna. Innal insana, same word where we will do ikhfa here. Insana, insana. Okay, don't recite it like insana. This word is many times here, right? In this surah, so make sure to do ikhfa there. Don't recite it like in. It's not in, it's insana. In. There is a difference, right? Innal insana. Insana la yatagha. La yato, ta with the qalqala. Don't do qalqala on the letter ta. Ta is a light letter. If you say la yatgha, la yat, that is like you're doing qalqala on the letter ta. Here the word is a ta, which is a heavy letter, right? So you should recite it like la yato, la yatgha, yato. And the ghain is also a heavy letter. Recite it like a gha, not a gha. Okay? It's ending with alif makhsura, standing fatha followed by ya. It should be stretched for 2 haraka. Why is there mad sign here? This mad sign is when you connect these ayahs together, and number 6 to 7, the next word is beginning with hamzatul wasl, right? So with hamza, right? So this is the mad due to hamza, that is mad al jayz munfasil, okay, to be stretched for 4 count. But as we are stopping here, we'll just keep it for 2 haraka. If you want to connect, then you can do 4 count. As we are stopping, it will be just for 2 haraka. كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى. Arra, not an and ra, okay? Not an. We will directly connect hamza to this ra because this ra has tajdeed tajdeed on it. Why is there tajdeed? Because this noon has completely merged in the surah. Okay, it has merged in a way that its sifat of gunna is not at all there. So we will not recite an-ra, instead ar-ra, ar-ra. Okay, ar-ra'ahu. Don't merge this standing fatha, that is mad as-saghira, with this fatha and recite it like ar-rahu. Rahu is wrong. Ar-ra'ahu. Ra heavy, hamza for 2 count. Ar-ra'ahu. Okay, connect has to this scene. Ar-ra'ahu istaghna. Tagh. Ghain is a letter of rikhava, just flow its sound. Tagh. Tagh. Don't recite it like tagh. Tagh. Okay? Taghna. Again, word is ending with alif makhsura. Stretch it for 2 count while stopping. Ar-ra'ahu istaghna. Inna ila rabbika ruj'a. Inna. Noon mushaddad, 2 count ghunna. Ila. Lam for 2 haraka, as there is alif makhsura, that is standing fatha. Inna ila rabbika. Ra heavy. Connect this kaf to this ra here. Okay, rabbika ruj'a, not ruj. This ch sound should not be there in jeen. That there should be a no hums. It should be a qalqala, not a ruj. 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 And also make ra heavy with dhamma. Many of you are making it heavy with the fatha, but not with dhamma and dhammatan. It should be heavier there as well. Rabbika ru, not ru, ru. Rabbika ruj'a, ruj'a, ain. Clearly not like hamza, a. Okay, and also it's ending with that is alif makhsura. Stretch it for 2 haraka while stopping. Inna ila rabbika ruj'a. أرأيت الذي ينهى, not أريت. أرأيت. أرأيت. Don't recite it like أريت. أريت, that is wrong. أرأيت, and also not أرأيت. It is yalin I sound. Okay, أرأيت الذي, no buzzing sound. ينهى. Yan, just izhar, no extra gunna. And also this ha from the last part of your throat with a blunt sound. Stretch it for 2 harika due to this alif makhsura. أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى. عبدا. عب. ba with the qalqala and ain should be clear, not like hamza. Dan, tanween, and it is followed by hamza, so there is no need of extra gunna, just izhar. Abdan idha, no buzzing sound, not iza. Idha salla. Sad heavy, lam for 2 count, and don't make this lam heavier due to the sad. Okay, it's not a salla, it is a salla. Salla. Do isti'ala for sad and istifal for this lam. Salla. Okay, and lam has mushaddad, so make sure to put a stress on it and also stretch it for 2 haraka while stopping. عبدا إذا صلى أرأيت إن كان على الهدى. أرأيت. Again, not أرأيت. أرأيت إن كان. This word is similar to the English word ink, just like how in the word ink you do ikhfa there with not touching your tip of the tongue to the upper gum. Same way here, but with 2 harika gunna. In kana. In kana. Okay, ka for 2 count. Ala al huda. This word is ala. There is no standing fatha due to this. There is alif makhsura here, but still no standing fatha. Why? As the next word is beginning with hamzatul wasl, iltaqa sakinin, ruling will be applied and mad gets cancelled, and so therefore just fatha. If you want to stop, it is أرأيت إن كان على 2 count, but while connecting على الهدى, ain clear. على الهدى. Who from last part of the throat. Aqus al halaq. Dal has standing fatha followed by this ya. Ya should not be read. Actually, it is alif makhsura. Okay, starting fatha. Why is there this mud sign here again? Because the next word is starting with hamza. Mad due to hamza. Mad al jaiz munfasil. If you want to connect, you will connect this with 4 haraka stretching. Okay, ala al huda aw amara, in this way. But if you're not stretching, I mean not connecting, then you should not stretch it. It is just for 2 haraka, like madul asli, madul tabi'i. Okay. أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى. أو not O. Okay, Yalin should be I. أرأيت, and Wowlin should be أو, not O. Okay, أو أمر. Amara, all the letters for 1 count. Ra is heavy. أو أمر بالتقوى. Connect ba to this ta. Emphasize it. Qaf with the qalqala. Wow for 2 haraka while stopping. أو أمر بالتقوى. أرأيت إن كذب وتولى. أرأيت, ra heavy, and same word أيت, not أتا. أرأيت إن كذب. إخفاء 2 حركة غنة, just like I said here, ink word. Okay, إن كذب, not كذب. كذب, ذا. إن كذب وتولى. وتولى, 3 letters for 1 count with fatha. This lam should be emphasized, then stretched for 2 count. Okay, أرأيت إن كذب وتولى. ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. ألم يعلم. Mim sakin followed by ya. Just izhar. Alam ya'lam. Again there is ayn. You should pronounce it clearly, not ya'lam. Ya'lam is wrong. Alam ya'lam. Ya'lam. Mim sakin is followed by ba here. So we will do ikhfa shafawi. Alam ya'lam bi anna Allah. Bi anna. Noon mushaddad to count gunna. Now when you connect this to lam al jalala will be heavier due to this fatha. Okay, bi anna Allah. Allah. Don't encircle your lips, it will sound like law. Okay, just do isti'ala here. Bi anna Allah yara. Yara, ra with standing fatha, that is alif maqsura, will be heavier and also stretch it for 2 count. ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية. كلا, emphasize it, stretch it for 2 count. كلا لئن and the word lam, but what we do is connect this noon to lam. Actually we're doing idgham there with 2 count, with no gunna at all. Okay, because when we do idgham with noon of noon sakin with lam, noon will be completely merged with lam, idgham kamil. What we do is don't pronounce noon at all. Kalla la illam, but you have to emphasize this lam to show that you're actually merging noon in this lam and there is noon in this lam. Okay, therefore it acquires tajdeed. Kalla la illam. Here no extra gunna on mim. Izhar al-shafawi. Kalla la illam yantah. If you want to stop here, as there is a sign of 5, this 5 sign is ayat kufi. It is called as the ending of an ayah only. You can stop here. If you want to stop, you can stop. There is no issue. And also there is lam alif which says not to stop. It is up to you. If you want to stop, it will be ya tah. Tah. Okay, ha with the sakina. But if you want to connect, you will recite it with kasra. Kalla la illam yantahi lanasfa'an. Lanasfa'an. But this ayn which has fathatan is followed by ba, iqlab is done, and therefore we will pronounce mim, not this noon sakin which is in tanween. Okay, lanasfa'an, but with Ikhfa, just like how we do ikhfa shafawi, just like that we do iqlab. Okay, the pressing of the lips should not be so tightly. Hold it lightly and pronounce it with 2 count. غنة لنسفعا بالناصية بالناصية. Noon mushaddad with 2 count غنة, and also stretch it for 2 haraka due to the salif maddiya. Sod is heavy here, and this ta marbuta, the feminine ta, the round ta will convert into ha sakina. Okay, binnasiyah. Yeah, and don't forget to pronounce it. You have to pronounce that ha at the end, inshallah. كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية ناصية كاذبة خاطئة. ناصية نون to حركة. صاد is heavy. ناصي يتن تنوين followed by كاف إخفاء again. ناصية كاذبة. كاذي ذال with no buzzing sound. كاذبة تنوين followed by خا حروف الحلقي just to do إظهار. كاذبة خاطئة. خا not خا خا خاطئ طي heaviness خاطئة. While stopping, this time marbuta again will convert to ha sakina, and you should pronounce it. Okay, don't forget to pronounce. Don't recite like khati'ah. Okay, this is important. ناصية ناصية كاذبة خاطئة خاطئة. فليدع ناديه. فليدع dal with the qalqala and ain should be clear. فليدع ناديه. Here there is a ha with inverted dhamma, that is madal sila sughra, but while stopping you add sakin to it. Nadiyah, ha with sakina. Okay, فليدع ناديه سندع الزبانية. سند again this dal with the qalqala and ain should be clear. سندع connect ain to za. زبانية زبانية. Time marbuta will convert to ha sakina. سندع الزبانية. كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب. لا كلا emphasize this lam with tashdid and also stretch it for 2 count. كلا, you can either connect this word and this word like كلا لا تطعه, or you can do waqf here as there is waqf al mutlaq. Okay, la 2 count compulsory. If you make it 1, the meaning of the whole ayah will change. La تطعه. 2 is light, ti is heavy with kasra, then ain sakina. You should recite it clearly, and then there is ha. Okay, تطيعه. This can be little difficult for you because ain and ha from throat letters, right? They came together. You have to pronounce ain clearly, and both the letters with same makhraj are here. Where they differ in the sifat, that is, this is a letter of hams, this is a letter of jahar, this is a light letter, this is a heavy letter. So pronounce it clearly. La تطيعه. تطيعه. Okay, wasjud. Wa is connected to scene of the word usjud. Okay, wasjud. Dal with the qalqala. Waqtarib. Qalqala here again, and the ra with kasra is light, ba already has sakin, do qalqala there. كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب. Here there is sajda of tilawa which you should do inshallah, and recite the dua of the sajda tilawa there. Okay, alhamdulillah, we have completed learning surah al-alaq. Let's end the meeting now. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.